Hi guys, today I'll be showing you a review on my new Swiss Champ from Victorinox. Um, I was deciding between this knife and the Work Champ, but I picked the Swiss Champ just because it has more functions to it. But you really can't go wrong with Swiss Army knives. They're very high quality made, and it has about 33 functions. I believe you could check Victorinox's website. I don't know. But I will be showing you the tools that it has. So, it's got the small blade, opening envelopes, stuff like that. It's got a large blade. Hold on. Got a large blade for bigger tasks and stuff like that. Very sharp. Let's see, we got a file here. One side is like a nail file or something like that, and then a metal file. And that does a good job. Next we have a wood saw, and that is very sharp, and it works quite well actually. Let's see, next. No. Next we have the fish scaler, hook disgorger ruler thingy. So on this side we got centimeters here, and on this side inches. And wait, let's focus that a little. Alright, there we go. Now this fish scaler, put it against the side of the fish and just take scales off, and then get the hook out of the fish's mouth with this up here. Next we have the very important scissors. It's got a little spring here, and it works very well. Right over here we got the pliers, and I know it's not the main function of the multi-tool like Leatherman, but these pliers, probably the biggest tool on this knife, but these pliers, they actually work pretty well. And it's got a wire crimper over here, right here, and yeah. So next we have the Phillips screwdriver. You could use it at 90 degrees here, just, and then you could use it like that, completely out. And all these tools, they snap into place very nicely. Next we have, the magnifying glass, and I'm pretty sure it's 5x magnification, and it works pretty well. Yeah. Alright. Here we got can opener with a small flathead on the top of it. And over here we got bottle opener. Well, still some grease on it. Pretty new. This is obviously a flathead screwdriver. This is the bottle opener here. And this little part right here is a wire stripper. Alright, and then we're going to move on to the other side, starting with the corkscrew, and inside of it is a very, very, very tiny flathead screwdriver that you can use on your eyeglasses and stuff like that. This cork the corkscrew can be used to obviously like open wine bottles, stuff like that, and can be used to undo knots. So, yep. Here, I believe this is a chisel, a wood chisel, and I hear it works pretty well. Haven't actually used it yet. Oh yeah. Ow. Trying to open this. God damn. That thing's hard to open. You gotta get used to opening these things. God damn. It's like, there we go, finally. Here is a small flathead. Here, let me get it. What? Small flathead?
So that's a dolphin right there.
Yeah, looks like a dolphin. Alright. Here we got a little hook here that can be used for, if you're carrying a package or something like that, you don't want the string of it to cut into your fingers, or you're carrying groceries in, you can put the grocery bags on this little hook, and I hear it is very useful. So, what?
You can also carry grenades with it.
You can also carry grenades with it. Let's... You see it? Yeah. Alright. Let's not cover up the Mr. Super Ostrich thing. Alright, let me snap that back into place. What's next? Oh, lastly we have... great. Now this thing's gonna give me trouble. Here. Alright. Oh, God. I think I might cut myself. This is a reamer, and if you need to extend your belt size or something like that, it's very sharp up here. It'll just punch through, and and it has a little sewing eye here. So if you want to sew something, I don't know. If you're a grandma and you like sewing, that's pretty cool. And with all Swiss Army knives, here's the little plastic toothpick that can be reused. And you put it back in here. And here is a handy dandy little ballpoint pen. It's more of an ink refill than a pen, really. But, if you don't have a writing utensil, writing tool on you to jot down a note or someone's number, you got this. That is if you carry your Swiss champ with you everywhere. And then the pliers. I mean, not pliers. I already went over that. Tweezers. And they pinch together very tightly, pulling out splinters and stuff like that. This is, yeah. And you got a little key ring here. And because it is a little heavy, I ordered this sheath separately. That's up to you if you want to do that. It shouldn't be that difficult to carry in your pocket, but in case you want one of these, you have to order it separately. It's not really too expensive. So that is the Swiss Champ. It is a great multi-tool and one of the most popular Swiss Army knives that Victorinox has to offer. So there you go. God damn it, like fucking dogs at the door. Alright, thanks for watching.